Hi, my name is Weihang. I'm applying for the Master of Management at the University of Sydney because I have a clear view of where I'm now and where I want to go next. My undergraduate major is tourism management, and through hands-on projects and practice, I've built a solid foundation in management. But I don't want to stop at doing things well. I want to understand how to lead and make decisions in complex global environments with stronger framework and more rigorous thinking. What really attracted me to the University of Sydney is the global perspective and the strong academic standard and the flexibility across disciplines. I'm especially interested in modules like business tools for management, digital transformation, and leadership, because they match my interests in data-driven service, innovation, and leading complex projects. I believe University of Sydney is the right place for me to grow from a practitioner into a well-rounded manner with a global mindset. In 5 years, I hope to be working as a project manager or strategy consultant, either at an international consulting firm or a leading multinational company. In that role, I want to take ownership of key work streams, using solid management frameworks and data analysis to solve real business problems, such as operational improvements or marketing entry strategy. More importantly, I want to complete the transition from learning concepts to designing solutions, turning what I learned at University of Sydney into practical strategies that work across different cultures and business contexts. I'm particularly interested in the area of serious innovation and customer experience, and I hope to build strong, proven insights there. I think I can contribute 3 ways. First, I can bring fresh industry perspective. I come from China's fast-growing culture, tourism, and the service sector, so I've seen firsthand how the experience economy works in real life. I can connect theories to vivid cases from an emerging market, especially in discussions on globalization, service marketing, and cross-cultural management. Second, I'm very action-oriented. In group projects or case competition, I naturally take the role of an organization and a driver. I used to training ideas into clear plan. Third, I want to be a bridge across culture. I understand the local Chinese business context, and I also eager to learn from global perspectives. I enjoy helping people communicate better across background, so the class can collaborate more deeply and learn from each other. One success I'm proud of is leading a cross-disciplinary team to win second prize at a national business elite competition in 2025. What I learned is that strong management is really a balance between system design and human care. On system side, I focus on building the team based on strengths and breaking the project into clear tasks and deadlines. That structure made execution efficient. On the people side, during a long and stressful preparation period, I paid attention to team morale. It helped me realize that team cohesion is just as important as performance. For me, leadership means creating an environment where talented people feel supported and can do their best work. An experience that humbled me happened early on when I led negotiations for business partnership in my student organization. At that time, I focused too much on negotiating down the other party's requests, and I did manage expectation well, either with partner within my own team's decision process. As a result, we lost the chance for a longer team partnership. The experience taught me a hard lesson. Management is a stakeholder system. If you made decisions in a narrow, linear way, you can easily fail. Since then, I've built the habit of doing stakeholders analysis first, understanding motivations, constraints, and how decisions can actually be made. In later projects and competitions, I often start by mapping relationships in a system view. So I'm not chasing the best answer for one point, but a solution that works for the whole network. Finally, beyond academic and career goals, I think personality and values make me a good fit. I grew up in a family where my parents worked in construction project management. So from a young age, I learned the value of responsibility, resilience, and bring order to complexity. At the same time, they encouraged me to explore and stay curious, which made me open-minded and comfortable with diversity. I'm not someone who only looks for standard answer. I enjoy building bridge between rigorous theory and real-world complexity. That's exactly why I believe Master of Management at the University of Sydney is the best platform for my next step. Thank you for considering my application.